Everybody is looking for the secret to fresh, pest-free chilies. I bet you didn't know one small change can make all the difference. Let's guard those guajillos like a pro. So, how do you stop food moths from ruining your precious guajillo chilies? First, store your chilies in airtight containers. Glass jars with tight lids or sturdy plastic containers are your best friends here. Food moths love easy access, so don't give them any. Next, check your chilies for signs of infestation before you store them. Look for webbing, strange smells, or tiny holes. If you see any of these, toss them out. No mercy for moths. Here's a pro tip. Pop your chilies in the freezer for 48 hours right after you buy them. This kills off any hidden moth eggs before they hatch. Once thawed, just store as usual. And remember, keep your pantry clean. Wipe shelves, vacuum corners, and don't let any spills sit. Moths love dark, messy spaces. Bonus tip, add a bay leaf or two in your container. The scent helps deter moths, and it won't affect the flavor of your chilies. Keep these tips in mind, and your Guajillo chilies will stay fresh, tasty, and moth-free. Questions or want a 25% discount on Nopal? Email us at info@laprouve.com. See you next time, spice lovers.